just a very quick one because I thought it was funny, and I did some work today on the plane. Get a lot of people saying, "Man, your slip cover for your wing," people jump up here and so they don't literally slip, "looks so good. What in the world? I need to redo mine," and all this other kind of jazz. But honestly, let's zoom in a bit. Ooh. Now I am like macro zoomed here, but I think you can kind of see what's happening. All these planes will have rivets that you're covering with this matte material. It is a pain to put on and take off and finish and everything in between. So this guy is your best friend. All you do, get in there and let it sop up the pen, the ink rather. And what will happen is this will dry, and natural dirt and mud and all that kind of stuff will just kind of round it off, so it will kind of blend in like a chameleon. And you don't want to do a lot, just enough to cover. And that's a big one there, but you can see I just did these today, but all the other ones I bet you can't even pick up on. Notice with all of the wet and oil and grease and all that kind of stuff, it just kind of all muddles together, and you need to wash the plane off. This will all be one coat. It'll look very nice, one color rather. But I always treat it. I use a little spray to treat this stuff, so it's not slick, but it all looks like one color, and it's brilliant. But this is the biggest tool in the trade if you don't have any sprays, or if you don't even wash it. Just as soon as that dries, and it's already dry a little bit, you can see how it's kind of like just mixing in. But yeah, when you stand back here, can't really see a thing. Just looks all black. It's been on there for a while. Paint. Still have no idea how I got on there, but it drives me nuts. I guess I could try to use this trick. Let's see here. Let's try to do just the top. Ooh, look at that. There we go. You know what? Honestly, I don't even mind if... Let's just do this. Let's see if this really works in a large area here. Notice I'm dabbing. I'm not like trying to scrub it in there, rub it in. Just the parts that, oh my, look at that, this is going to be brilliant. Put your money where your mouth is, I guess. We're doing this real time. And this isn't even, this is a generic Sharpie. Truthfully, I have found that sometimes the inexpensive ones are better than the name brand ones. It's the craziest thing. And boop, boop, boop. There we go. These two down here. Like I said, this is paint that had gotten on this. Let's do one up there. And then one down here. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Just looks like kind of a little wet, but when that dries, it'll cover it right up and blend all in. Brilliant. And then up there, you can see it's even dried. Okay, good to go. I like it. All right, stay safe.